We are going to see our Unit 2 Water. Water is the most important source for all the living organisms. Without water in this world, no one can survive.
Mama, it's too hot, Mama. I'm going to take bath.
Okay, Kittu, but don't waste water.
Why, Mama?
Kittu, water is the most precious resource on the earth.
Mama, what do you mean resource?
Kittu, resource means things which is available for someone's use.
Mama, from where do we get water?
Water is found in oceans, seas, rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, and even under the ground. Kittu, all the living things need water to live and to do many other activities.
Oh, can you tell me more about water, Mama?
Sure, Kittu, water occurs naturally in three forms.
Water occurs naturally in three forms like ice, water, and water vapor. These forms are also called three states of water. These water can be classified into three states. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Example for solid is ice cube. Example for liquid is water. Example for gas is water vapor. First, we will see about solid state. Example, ice. It is a solid form of water. When we keep the water at below 0 degrees Celsius, the water will become ice. This process is called freezing. Water in a liquid state will convert into ice as solid when we cool it on below 0 degree Celsius. Next, we will see about liquid state. Example, water. It is a liquid form and it is available in water bodies such as oceans, rivers, sea, lakes, ponds, well, waterfalls, etc. Now, we will see about gaseous state. Example, water vapor. It is a gaseous form of water. When we heat the water, the temperature will increase and it will convert into water vapor. Children, do you know what is water vapor? When we heat the liquid, it forms a white mist of extreme small water droplets. It is known as water vapor. The water in a liquid state, it will convert into water vapor as gas while heating it at 100 degrees Celsius.
Jolly, jolly. It's raining, Grandma. I'm going to enjoy today. Shiva, come here. You should not play in the rain. You'll get cold. Sure, Grandma. I have a doubt. How it rains? Can you explain me, Grandma? Sure, my dear. In nature, water keeps on changing its state. How, Grandma? In nature, water keeps changing its state. Let us see how does it happens. The continuous change of water from one state to another in nature is called water cycle. In this process, water will circulate continuously like a cycle by different processes like evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Let us learn about the three processes of water cycle. Water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. The water vapor, when comes in contact with cool air, it becomes water droplets. This process is called condensation. The water droplets combines to form clouds. The continuous combining of water droplets becomes big and heavy and they fall down as rain. This process is called precipitation. In colder places, combined water droplets come down as snow or hailstones.
Importance of water cycle. Water cycle helps to control the earth's temperature. It will improve the availability of groundwater. It is essential to all living things. It provides water to plants and animals, especially humans. It is used to recycle the earth's supply of water constantly. Rainwater harvesting. The process of collecting and storing the rainwater for future use is called rainwater harvesting. Rooftop harvesting is also a type of rainwater harvesting. Water will be collected in natural resources like ponds, stream, dam, etc. and also in artificial tanks. When rain comes, the water will deposit on the top of the building, that is terrace. It should be collected and passed into the ground through pipes. The water passing through the pipe enters the pit, and the sand and gravels in the pit will filter the impurities in the water and stored as groundwater. Benefits of rainwater harvesting. The harvested rainwater should be used for agriculture. It increases the groundwater level. The availability of water for living things will increases. Children, I hope you all have understood the topics under Unit 2 Water. Thank you, children.